Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Black Box Engineering. In the last video I started building this cardboard 3D model, so I'm gonna keep on working at this. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's just get on to it. We left off with page 4 here. Now we're gonna move on to D02, D06, and D10. So let's find those pages here. They should be on this page over here. All right, so D06 is here. Here's D06, D02, this big piece over here. I can kind of get these bigger ones without really doing the time-lapse stuff. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a F piece down here. I didn't even notice that. Good thing I saw that now. Okay, nothing broke. Thank goodness. Okay, get these little holes out. Is this D10? Yeah. Oh, I see. It's got a different shape on where to mate the there's a star to match up with the star over here, so I was a little confused there for a second. But okay, where's my F page? Still red pieces. F02. See, this is this little piece right here. I don't want to get stuck like this. Okay, good. I didn't manage to break it. All right. Let's get these big pieces in first. So D02 matches up with 15. 15 is right here. For the most part, you don't have to worry about pushing extremely hard. There's certain cases where you do have to push a little harder, but it is pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry too much about it. Well, this is not all the way. It won't match nicely. So this little star piece right here matches up with this star piece. That's what I'm assuming here. Oh, sorry. This notch, not this hole. I almost got that wrong. So star notch matches up with star notch. And this is where you kind of gotta mess around until it meshes nicely a little bit. Just as long as you don't break any of the current pieces, but it should go on relatively nicely, but sometimes you do have to be a little bit forceful. And then this little piece goes on the white part here. Make sure it's face up. Don't bend other parts, please. Come on. Don't. Be nice to me, please. Okay. That should be okay. Okay. Let me turn that a little bit. Okay, F, G, and A. Okay. Get my F piece off real quick here. It's F12 is right down here. Ooh, this one has some design on it. Get this little piece out. Okay, F12, G7. This is G7. Like that. And then A5s on my A page should be back here, wherever I put that. I think this is A, yep. A5, okay. Oh, this little thing. Okay, I gotta be careful here because these little corner edge pieces bend. So, all right, F12 goes in 17. This little spot right here. Like so. G18 right next to that. Like that. Then I have to bend these little corner pieces like so. Square matches with square. That makes sense. This is the square piece right here. Okay, careful. This is where, yeah, these little accent pieces can be a little difficult to deal with, but it should look like that. Okay, so that's that side. Now we can move on to the other side. That's what this says. So D03. Actually got some G pieces to deal with here. So G09. This one right here. Don't go crazy here. Kind of got pushed into the hole a little bit too much there, but that's okay. Should be okay. D03, this big piece right here. Careful. Ooh, don't do that. Please don't break my pieces. Going a little bit too hard on my boards here. Should be okay. Kind of pushed it to the limit there. D03, C02, and B04. D02. This piece. C02, B04. Ooh, I'll be done with the B page. Nice. So I can toss that aside. It's nice to get done with a page so that you can quit worrying about it. Okay, so let's just do the big piece. Part 20 goes to 20. Okay, is this shaped any specific way? No. Careful, since I damaged it a tiny bit. G09 goes to 19. Do you look any particular? No, this is another symmetric part. A04 going facing that way. I think it goes here based on what I'm looking at. This is going to be a little bit difficult to push in nicely. Okay, I think that's all the way, and then this goes on the bottom. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, so that's that. Now we need G10 and G11 right here. G10, that's gonna be the cream colored stuff. G10, G11. G10, G11. I wish I should get identifiers for this honestly, but should be okay. Okay, G10. 21. If I don't drop it on the floor, really easy to do that with these parts. All the way down. This one's 22, matches up with 22. Like that. Cool. All right, I'm gonna keep this facing me. Oh, that's cool. It tells you there's no more pieces left. Wow, they really added quite a bit to the descriptions of these pages. That's really helpful. So that you can be like, hey, there's no more pieces on this here. So I'm gonna get A06 out in advance. So we're gonna need that. Now there's no more pieces on there, so that's cool. That's 2 pages gone from there. I'll make sure the notch is facing up. And you go here. Don't think this matters on when I put this on, because this goes in 23. This sub-assembly goes on 23. Okay, so I need G01, which is on this page. Ooh, it's bigger piece here. I'll speed this one up in post. Okay, so this is G01. Get these nibs out. It's easy to rip the back of the page if you don't get the things through all the way. But as long as you don't rip it too much, should be okay. Okay, so these are gonna bend up. Okay, I need K06, black piece. It's gonna be K06 right there. Oh, one of those, I see. So sometimes there's like little pieces within pieces. Make sure I poke out the right one here. Can we get these out? Okay. Let's see, so this goes in the middle like this. These you kind of just gotta poke in sequentially until they all fit nicely. Just so that it looks nice. These go up like so. Very cool. Let's see, G 14 and 13, 14 and 13. Careful of the pieces there; those can easily break. 14. Okay, still facing. Make sure I put this in the right way. Otherwise I'll have egg on my face. Yes, that's correct. 13. I always like to double check these pieces because I have made the mistake of putting things in the wrong spot a lot. Looks like that sub-assembly's done. Make sure I didn't miss pieces. Faces this way, and this assembly goes in 23. Like so. Cool. What am I at here? 21 minutes. Okay, I think I've got time for at least this last step here. G12, G3. So here's G12. And then E7 should be a red piece according to that. E7. Here's E7. There's the other side of the face, the round part. Poke these out real quick. See this on post. Hoping that's visible from my towel. And if it is, oh well. Okay, so G 24 goes to 24. Okay, it's getting a little bit hard to tell where things go now. Just don't want to break anything. 25 to 25. Like that. And then this piece kind of goes like this. Circle to circle. Over here. Lining up nicely because these are not all the way. And this is where it gets a little bit difficult to, especially when you're dealing with. But that's why they're made out of cardboard. So you gotta bend it till it works. It's just how these end up being usually. You can be a little bit stubborn. As long as it looks okay. And I can use these in the future. It shouldn't be a huge problem. These might be a little hard to work with, these little tabs now, but should be okay. And by the way, I kind of figured out why that circle was added. I mean, it does add depth, but it also increases the width so that these little tabs have a little bit more room so that these bridges aren't in the way. That's a very clever solution to that. and it looks cool too. So it's functional and it looks nice. So best of both worlds. All right, well, I think that'll do for that part there. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this turns out good. I just think it's cool to record this kind of thing. So that visor piece kind of looks neat at the moment. I like how these kind of form as you go. So see ya.